Every time I go back home in Lecce, South Italy, I like to treat myself with an early morning run, 6 a.m. normally. It's a special way to discover the city, the churches, the squares, the shops. Going through Central London Square in downtown with no one around is a very special feeling considering that a few hours later this place will be populated with thousands of people. It's a way to see the city when it's itself, without tourists, authentic, like the city I love, the city I remember from when I was young. Walking these small alleys reminds me that running is not just a way to exercise. It's a way of life, to see the world, it's a way to be. When you see the sun rising in front of you in a day about to start, while people are waking up, you already had an amazing experience and you have the energy to enjoy the day, knowing that you started with the right attitude and with the right mindset. Therefore, everywhere you go, try to wake up and see the city before it makes up. Try to see the city when it is real self. Go for a morning run.